Have you ever wondered why some unexpected moments lead to the most beautiful chapters in our lives? What if there's a secret force guiding these serendipities? In the dance of life, the most unexpected steps often lead to the most enchanting melodies. Dear viewers, let's explore how the law of attraction choreographs these miraculous moments and how you can tune into its rhythm. Life is a symphony of moments, some planned and others that catch us off guard. These unexpected moments, whether they appear as challenges or blessings, often shape our journey in profound ways. But what if there was a way to not just navigate these shifts, but to truly embrace and harness them? The law of attraction, a principle that has resonated through centuries and cultures, suggests that our thoughts and feelings have the magnetic power to attract events into our lives. By understanding and aligning with this law, we can transform unforeseen twists into opportunities and uncertainties into adventures. It's about recognizing that every surprise, every sudden change holds the potential for growth, wonder, and a deeper connection to the universe's grand design. Building on this philosophy, one begins to see that life isn't a series of random events, but rather a canvas waiting for our intentional brushstrokes. Each unexpected turn, when viewed through the lens of the law of attraction, becomes a stepping stone towards our envisioned goals. But how does one truly harness this law? It begins with cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility. Instead of perceiving challenges as setbacks, we can reframe them as unique opportunities to learn, grow, and refine our vision. Furthermore, by consistently aligning our thoughts and emotions with our aspirations, we create a vibrational frequency that resonates with the universe's energies. This synergy not only accelerates our journey towards desired outcomes, but also enriches it with experiences that are both transformational and enlightening. In essence, by embracing the law of attraction, we're not just passive observers of our fate. We become the architects of our destiny, crafting a life story that's both meaningful and inspiring. Now it's time for some positive affirmations that will help you to embrace your life's unexpected, miraculous shifts. I am open to the universe's surprises and trust its divine timing. Every unexpected event in my life is a doorway to a new blessing. I am resilient and adaptable, always finding the silver lining in change. The universe always guides me towards my highest good, even in unexpected ways. I embrace change with grace, knowing it leads to growth and transformation. My heart and mind are open to the miracles that come from unforeseen events. I am a magnet for positive shifts, drawing them into my life effortlessly. Every twist and turn in my journey is a stepping stone to greatness. I trust that every surprise in my path is a gift from the universe. With an open heart, I welcome all of life's unexpected blessings. I am in sync with the universe, turning challenges into opportunities. Miracles manifest in my life in the most unexpected ways. I am a beacon of positivity, attracting wondrous shifts in my journey. The universe always has my back, guiding me through unexpected routes. I am grounded in faith, knowing that every change is a miracle in disguise. My spirit is unshakable, embracing all of life's unpredictable moments. I am aligned with the universe's energy, transforming surprises into successes. Every unforeseen event is a chance for me to shine brighter. I am attuned to the universe's rhythm, dancing gracefully with every change. Miracles are a natural part of my life, appearing when least expected. I am a vessel for the universe's wonders, welcoming every shift with joy. My journey is filled with serendipities that lead to profound growth. I am in harmony with life's ebb and flow, finding magic in every turn. The universe constantly showers me with unexpected blessings. I am empowered by change, seeing the miraculous in the mundane. Every detour in my path is a divine redirection towards my dreams. I am a co-creator with the universe, turning surprises into stepping stones. My spirit is resilient, finding strength in life's unpredictable moments. I am a magnet for miracles, drawing them from every corner of life. The universe orchestrates wondrous events in my favor, even when unexpected. I am rooted in faith, turning every challenge into a chance. My journey is a tapestry of unexpected miracles and blessings. I am in tune with the universe's melody, making music out of surprises. Every unexpected event is a testament to the universe's love for me. I am a beacon of hope, finding light in the most unforeseen circumstances. The universe crafts my journey with care, sprinkling it with miraculous moments. I am open to life's wonders, embracing every shift with gratitude. My path is paved with unexpected blessings that enrich my soul. I am in alignment with the universe's plan, turning the unexpected into the unforgettable. Miracles unfold in my life daily, often in the most surprising ways. I am a vessel of positivity, transforming challenges into triumphs. The universe guides me with love, leading me to unexpected treasures. I am grounded in the present, finding miracles in every moment. Every surprise in my life is a divine nudge towards my purpose. I am in sync with life's rhythm, embracing its unpredictable beauty. The universe constantly surprises me with gifts of love and abundance. I am a catalyst for change, turning the unexpected into opportunities. My spirit thrives on life's surprises, finding joy in every twist and turn. I am in harmony with the universe, co-creating a journey filled with miracles. Every unforeseen event in my life is a bridge to a brighter tomorrow. I am a beacon of resilience, navigating life's surprises with grace. The universe blesses me daily with unexpected moments of magic. I am attuned to life's wonders, transforming every shift into a blessing. My journey is a testament to the universe's miraculous ways. I am a magnet for positive change, drawing in unexpected blessings. The universe orchestrates my life with precision, leading me to miraculous discoveries. I am rooted in gratitude, cherishing every unexpected gift from the universe. My spirit is unyielding, finding strength in life's unpredictable shifts. I am in alignment with the universe's energy, turning surprises into successes. Miracles manifest in my life daily, often from the most unexpected sources. I am open to the universe's guidance, trusting its unexpected routes. My journey is a dance with the universe, filled with serendipitous moments. I am a vessel for the universe's love, embracing every shift with an open heart. Every detour in my life is a divine intervention, leading me to greater heights. I am in tune with the universe's frequency, attracting unexpected miracles. My path is illuminated by the universe's unexpected blessings. I am a beacon of adaptability, navigating life's shifts with ease and grace. The universe constantly amazes me with its unexpected wonders. I am attuned to life's magic, transforming every surprise into a blessing. My journey is a mosaic of unexpected miracles, crafted by the universe. I am in harmony with life's ebb and flow, finding beauty in every surprise. The universe showers me with love, often in the most unexpected ways. I am a magnet for serendipities, drawing in miraculous moments daily. Every twist in my path is a testament to the universe's grand design. I am rooted in faith, trusting the universe's unexpected plans for me. My spirit thrives on life's surprises, turning them into moments of wonder. I am in sync with the universe's rhythm, dancing gracefully with every change. Every unforeseen event in my life is a divine signpost, guiding me forward. I am a vessel for the universe's miracles, embracing every shift with joy. My journey is filled with unexpected blessings, each one a gift from the universe. I am in alignment with life's wonders, turning every surprise into a treasure. The universe crafts my path with care, sprinkling it with unexpected miracles. I am open to life's magic, finding joy in its unpredictable beauty. Every detour in my journey is a bridge to the universe's blessings. I am a beacon of hope, shining brightly even in life's unexpected moments. The universe guides me with love, surprising me with its endless gifts. I am attuned to life's rhythm, embracing its unexpected twists with grace. My path is a journey of discovery, filled with the universe's unexpected miracles. I am in sync with the universe's energy, turning every shift into a blessing. Miracles unfold around me daily, often in the most surprising ways. I am a vessel of positivity, navigating life's surprises with faith and joy. The universe constantly amazes me with its unexpected wonders and blessings. I am rooted in gratitude, cherishing every twist and turn in my journey. My spirit is unyielding, finding strength and purpose in life's unexpected shifts. I am in harmony with the universe, co-creating a path filled with miracles. Every unforeseen event in my life is a stepping stone to greater joy and abundance. I am a beacon of resilience, turning life's surprises into moments of growth. The universe blesses me daily with unexpected gifts of love and wonder. I'm attuned to life's magic, transforming every surprise into a moment of gratitude. My journey is a testament to the universe's love, guiding me through every unexpected turn. Here, each affirmation is designed to empower, inspire, and instill a deep sense of trust in the universe's plan, even amidst life's most unpredictable moments. As we traverse the journey, the unexpected becomes a canvas of growth, revealing lessons, blessings, and avenues for deeper connections with our true selves. Each unforeseen bend, each sudden turn, acts as a gateway to a revelation, and our spirits, unshaken by the unpredictability, find joy in these moments. The very winds of change, often perceived as challenges, are in fact carrying blessings and opportunities, tailor-made for our souls. By remaining open to the magic of life's unforeseen moments, we cement our bond with the cosmos. The journey, filled with its mysteries and wonders, continuously evolves, deepening our connection with the infinite. Embracing the unpredictability of life, we recognize that every shift, every twist, is part of a divine orchestration guiding us to achieve our highest potential. The dance with destiny is forever ongoing, shaped beautifully by the miraculous shifts life graciously offers. Lovely watchers, before signing up, I truly encourage you to incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine and can be a game changer. They serve as constant reminders of your innate power, your connection to the universe, and the endless possibilities that await when you embrace life's unexpected shifts.